Very good morning, students. Today's 17th lecture of Computer Science 5, Developing Application in VB. Girls, yesterday we have started going through syllabus. So, in yesterday's lecture, we have discussed most of the common properties and some special properties of label control. Common properties means the properties which are available in all controls like name, height, width, left, top, back color. These are common properties. And some special properties of label control were auto size, caption, back style. These are the special properties of label control. We have seen them thoroughly. They will be definitely asked in theory as well as practical exam. In textbook, all the properties are explained in sequence. Now today we shall take the next control, which is text box. So we are going to discuss all the special properties of text box today. Before that, let me tell you one thing, that today's lecture is also divided into two parts, 1 and 2. Topic will be same. Some of the properties will be included in part 1 and the other remaining properties will be explained in part 2. And yes, one more thing. Today's lecture will end with a very good story. So I hope you will continue watching whole lecture. Let us start our lecture with a good thought. If God is making you wait, then be prepared to receive more than you asked for. In simple language, if you want something and you have to wait for it, then you should expect to get better than that. Say for example, if you are expecting an Android mobile phone, Samsung say for example, or Vivo for example, maybe it costs 20,000 rupees for example, and if you are not able to get it right now, you have to wait for it for a long time, maybe for 6 months, then be prepared to get an iPhone, right? તમારી લેંગ્વેજમાં સમજાવ્યું મેં તમને કે તમે જે વસ્તુ એક્સપેક્ટ કરો છો એ તમને નથી મળતી, you have to wait for it, you have no option, તમારે રાહ જોવી જ પડે એમ છે, તો be prepared. હા, કારણ કે ઝૂંપડા કે ફ્લેટ બનાવવા કરતાં બંગલા બનાવવામાં ટાઈમ લાગે, એટલે જ્યારે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ માટે ટાઈમ લાગે છે તો આપણે માનવાનું કે ભગવાન આપણા માટે બંગલોઝ બનાવી રહ્યા છે. ફાઇન. એટલે જો ક્યારેય તમને એવું થાય કે આ હવે હદ થઈ ગઈ, હા હવે રાહ જોવાય એમ નથી, પણ યુ શુડ કીપ પેશન્સ. હા, ધીરજ રાખવી બહુ જરૂરી છે, બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. તમને લોકોને યાદ હોય તો કેબીસીમાં સુધા મૂર્તિ જ્યારે આવ્યા હતા લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ, હમણાં લાસ્ટ યર 2019માં, હા ત્યારે એમણે એક સંસ્કૃતનો શ્લોક જે કીધો તો મારી પાસે એની ક્લિપ છે, એ આખો ધૈર્ય ઉપર જતો, ધીરજ ઉપર, કે દરેક વસ્તુનું સોલ્યુશન શું છે? ધીરજ છે. હા, ધીરજ રાખશો, પેશન્સ રાખશો, જે અત્યારના જમાનામાં છે જ નહીં. હા, ઓલ ઓફ અસ હેવ બીકમ વેરી ઇમ્પેશન્ટ, અને એમાં ટેકનોલોજી બહુ મહત્ત્વનો ભાગ ભજવી રહી છે. કારણ કે આપણને બધું ઇઝીલી મળી જાય છે, ફટાફટ બધું ટચ સ્ક્રીન કરો, આમ તેમ ઓપરેટ કરો એટલે બધું બધા કામ થઈ જતા હોય. એમાં કંઈ પણ વસ્તુ માટે જો ટાઈમ લાગે, ટાઈમ કન્ઝ્યુમિંગ હોય, તો આપણામાં એટલી ધીરજ નથી. વી હેવ બીકમ સો ઇમ્પેશન્ટ. હા, કે આપણે ડેસ્પરેટ થઈ જાય, આપણે થોડા એક્ઝોસ્ટ થઈ જાય કે હું આ કેમ મારે હું રાહ જોઈ શકું. પણ ઇટ ઇઝ બેટર ઇફ યુ વેઇટ. Let us open Visual Basic. This is our project 1, in which we have already added 6 forms. The form which I am going to create uh, is not permanent. I don't need to save it, because I am just going to explain you the properties of text box. Then also I am adding one more form, because a blank form will look better when we are explaining properties in detail. First of all, first property of form, window state maximized. If I run this form, it will be in maximized format. Fine, exit, good. This is form number 7. My form is form number 7. You can see this in this Project Explorer window, form number 7. Now from the project properties, I have to set the startup object form number 7. Okay. Let me take a text box. I have taken a text box. Girls, I repeat, the common properties are applied to all the controls. So yesterday, whatever properties I have explained through label control, some of them are also applicable to text box. I am not going to repeat it, પણ ખાલી સિમ્પલી એનો યુઝ કરીને દેખાડી દઈશ, કારણ કે we have already used them. Okay, એટલે I am not going to explain all those property second time, but I will use them. So first property of each control, you may take any control, the first property is name. So if you want to change the name of the text box, suppose txtnm, so now onwards the name of the text box will be txtnm. Now what is the use of name property? That is explained in yesterday's lecture properly in detail, so I am not explaining this. Okay, second property we have already used related with text box is text property. Text is the contents of the text box. It is special property of text box. This property is not available in other controls. We have to remove this. Okay, so I have set two properties of text box, name and text. When you run this form, you are allowed to enter some data. The use of text box is that if you want to get some data from the user in Visual Basic form, then text box is very useful. Text box allows you to enter data, as well as in coding you can also use the text property of text box control to manipulate the data. Appearance we have already seen. By default it is 3D. If you select flat, then the appearance will be flat. So I am not repeating it. Back color is also there. If you want to set back color, you can set. Oh, I have set back color of form control because form control was selected. Okay, no problem. Now let us set back color of text box. This is the back color of text box, right? Border style, if I want border of text box, then I can take. If I don't want it, then select none. By default it is one fixed single. Then I shall include only those properties which are in your syllabus. I have the syllabus with me. Then next is enabled. Before that, let us also set the font and font color, that is for color property of text box. Guys, I am not repeating this because we have already done this so many times. Not once, many times. The new property is enabled. Enabled is a new property. What is the use of this? Sometimes what happens, girls, do you know કે somewhere ક્યાંક નેટ ઉપર કે તમે કામ કરતા હો, or if you select some menu, so some options are not enabled. Look here in this menu, cut, copy, paste link are not enabled because they are displayed in gray color, and table is displayed in black color. Go to row, bookmarks, they are in black color. That means right now, according to the setting of this application, you are able to use these many options, but you are not able to use these options. Okay, same way in Visual Basic, when we are running a form or even designing a form, at that time you require that the data of this text box should be displayed on the screen, but user should not be allowed to go to that text box. No, I am just showing you the proper practical example. એની પહેલા just જોઈ લ્યો કે enabled can be set true or false. By default it is true, of course. We have used text box so many times. And if I enter name, if I enter any name, I can do it. Look, આવે છે? It is normal, fine, I can do this. But if I set it to disable, that means enable is false. Enabled is false. Again I have set property of form. First of all, we should select the text box. અહીંયા આને select કરો, then set it to false. Now even if the text box will be displayed on the screen, but you cannot enter data. Look, I am clicking through mouse, I am typing through keyboard, but I am not able to enter data in this text box. Text box is there. Okay, text box is there, but it is not possible to enter data. If you have already data in that text box, then it will show you, તો દેખાડશે, પણ run time you are not able to enter data. Say for example, if you set text here from the text property, which property? Text property. Here if you write, say for example, Mittal, fine. So then if you run the form, you will look Mittal is there, but can you see that the color of the text is different? It is grayish. Otherwise we have said dark blue, but it is grayish. That means I am not able to enter data in this text box. Let us do one thing. આપણે આ ટેક્સ્ટ બોક્સને કોપી કરીએ, કોપી પેસ્ટ, તો તમને વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે. Control C, Control V. No, there are two text boxes. Okay, in one we have written Mittal, in another we have written Shivani. Two text boxes are there. In first text box, the enable property is false. Enable property is false. In second text box, enable property will be true. True. Now let us run this. Look, is there any difference? I think you can view this in your mobile screen, that Mittal is in grey color, Shivani is in blue color. Actually our basic color which we have set is blue color, dark blue, but Mittal is in different color because it is disabled. So I can just read the contents of this text box. I cannot change it. Okay, now if I want to write something here instead of Shivani, it is possible, but here in Mittal it is not possible. Okay, just control cursor will not go there, that control will not be selected. Got it? Fine. Now when to use this property? When to use this property practically? Let us go to some other form. આપણે અહીંયા માર્કશીટના ફોર્મમાં જઈએ. માર્કશીટનું ફોર્મ કેટલામું છે? 5. Form 5 is there. I am showing you practical example. Form 5, we are running form 5. We have run this, આપણને ખ્યાલ જ છે. Student 1 ID જે હોય, okay, marks calculate. Done? Fine. આ બધાને we have done this. Now look at this. હવે જોજો બરાબર પ્રેક્ટિકલી દેખાડું છું તમને હું, બધા ધ્યાન આપજો કે હવે look at this. ટોટલમાં you know total and percentage are calculated automatically. The user need not change or enter the value in total. Fine. Now I have already entered data, it is correct. Total is calculated, percentage is also calculated, આ બધું સાચું છે. Then also the user is allowed to change the data. હવે instead of 324 I am writing something else, 250. Okay, and percentage માં બી મારી જાતે no there is no reference with my data. ઉપરનો જે ડેટા છે એની સાથે કાંઈ રેફરન્સ નહીં, મારી જાતે મેં કરી નાખ્યું. Total is 250, percentage is 74. Is it okay? Is it okay? No, it is not okay. Why? Because once you have asked the computer, you have asked the computer to calculate total and percentage, then user should not be allowed to make changes to that data. In simple language, સાવ સાદી ભાષામાં કહું તો જ્યાં જ્યાં ફોર્મ્યુલા મૂકેલી હોય ને ત્યાં પછી એન્ટર ન કરવાનું હોય તમારે. ફોર્મ્યુલા મૂકવાનું રીઝન જ એ છે કે ઓટોમેટિક કેલ્ક્યુલેશન થઈ જાય. So if you apply formula and then again you allow the user to change the value, then there is no meaning of formula. And there is no meaning of formula. તો પછી ખોટું જવાનું છે બધું. તમારા કેસમાં જ વિચારી લ્યો, ગર્લ્સ ઇન યોર કેસ તમારું જ પેપર હોય, પેપર વ્યવસ્થિત ચેક થઈ ગયા હોય, સાચા માર્ક્સ આવ્યા હોય, યુઝર જે છે ઓપરેટર યુનિવર્સિટીમાં એ માર્ક્સ પણ સાચા જ નાખે, બધા પ્રોપર એન્ટર કરે અને પછી ટોટલને પર્સન્ટેજ ચેન્જ કરી નાખે, તો then there is no meaning of appearing in exam, checking the papers, entering the marks. એ બધાનો કંઈ મિનિંગ જ નથી રહેતો. ન જ રહે ને, બરાબર? ઉપરના જે કંઈ પણ માર્ક્સ છે 89, 90, 78, 67 બધા કેવા ગયા? નકામા. સાવ બધા થઈ ગયા નકામા if I change this. Fine. So in such cases જ્યાં ફોર્મ્યુલા છે ને ગર્લ્સ, જ્યાં જે જગ્યાએ એ બધા ટેક્સ્ટ બોક્સને તમારે શું કરી દેવાય? એનેબલ્ડ ફોલ્સ. Enabled false. Done. Let us again run the form. Now look at this. See, total and percentage is in different color, and if I try to go to that control, I am not able to click there or change the contents of that particular control. Fine. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો શું કીધું? કે if you are applying some formula on any control, then it should not be possible for the user to change the contents of that particular text box. In that case, you should disable them by setting the enabled property to false. Property to false. By default બધામાં true જ હોય, okay, પણ જેમાં false કરી છે those will be disabled. Now girls, this enabled property is common property, બધા કંટ્રોલમાં આવશે, એટલે you can also enable or disable command buttons. You can also do that. Okay, that we shall see when I explain you command button control in detail. Right now we are discussing properties of text box control, but that will be continued in the next lecture. Okay.